My name is Hugo and on this episode we'll be talking about feeding rabbits. First, we'll spend some time talking about their biology and behavior towards food, and then we'll talk about what, how, and when to feed those unstoppable voracious vegetable-eating machines called bunnies. Enjoy!
Hey, Doc. Hey, Doc, where are you?
From a biological point of view, rabbits are truly admirable. They are non-ruminant herbivores with a very fast metabolism and that have evolved to thrive on a very poor nutritional diet. To be able to do this, they have a very specific digestive system and eating behaviors. Rabbits evolved to survive eating grass and leafy green plants, both which have little nutritional value. To begin with, they have teeth that never stop growing. They are worn down to the correct size by the continuous eating of grass, hay, and leafy green plants. If those foods are not the basis of their diet, then they can suffer from severe, even fatal dental disease. Bunnies only have one stomach, and they have the particularity that they cannot vomit. Burping is also very uncommon. Vomiting and burping are actually defense mechanisms, allowing to reset digestion and to alleviate pressure. Not being able to do so makes rabbits especially vulnerable to gastrointestinal disease, and highly fermentable foods should be avoided. To be able to survive with such a poor diet, rabbits have a very developed part of their digestive system called the cecum. It is filled with lots and lots of bacteria that fermentate the food that the small intestine could not digest, transforming it into molecules that the rabbit's body can absorb. Some of those molecules the rabbit can absorb directly through his cecum and colon. Others will form sacatrophs that the rabbit will eat directly from his rectum. Sacatrophs. Pellets produced by partially fermented matter of the cecum, which are high in protein, minerals, and vitamins. They are not really feces. Rabbits are selective eaters and will choose nutrient-rich food over food that has a higher fiber content. They naturally pick food with higher energy, which is great if they live in the wild with low food, but not so great if they live in captivity because it predisposes them to obesity and bloat. Another thing to keep in mind is that because of what they eat is nutritionally poor, they spend a great deal of time eating. A rabbit that it's not eating, it's a rabbit that needs to go to the vet. If you like our videos, please don't forget to share and subscribe by clicking this button over here to stay tuned with us. Also, remember that every time that you see our video and the full ads, you are contributing to associations that help treat and save animals daily. Basically, doing this can be the good act of your day. It's that simple, and the animals thank you.